Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix invite collaborators option not showing on Instagram. If you didn't know already, then there's a feature in Instagram that allows you to invite collaborators to your post. Now today I'm going to show you how to manage your account if you cannot see that option. So let's get to the point. To invite collaborators, first of all, your account should be public. If your account is private, then you won't be able to use this feature. So first of all, let's change our account into a public account. Open Instagram on your phone, and here's the homepage of the app. On the homepage, you'll have to tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner. Once you reach your profile page, tap on the hamburger icon, that is the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the page. Now go to settings. On the settings, you can see the option privacy under Instagram settings. So go ahead and tap on it. Now on the privacy page, you can see the first option, which is private account, and the toggle button is swipe to the right. That means my account is private for now. Now to make my account public, I'll have to swipe this toggle button to the left. Then here tap on switch to public. Now as you can see on the screen, my account has been public. Once you do this, you'll be able to access the invite collaborators option. However, if you cannot still access the feature, then you can follow this next method. Here's the homepage of Instagram. From the homepage, you'll have to go to your profile. So for that, tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner. Then once you reach your profile, tap on the hamburger icon, that is the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. And from this menu, go to settings. Now scroll down. And here you can see the option help. Go ahead and tap on it. Then once you reach the help page, you'll have to tap on report a problem. And on this pop-up menu, tap on OK. On this page, you can see that it's written briefly explain what happened or what's not working. Here we will state that we cannot access the invite collaborators feature. So you can write something along these lines. You can also post a screenshot of the problem you're facing if you want to. You can either select a screenshot from your gallery or you can take a live screenshot. After you're done, tap on next. And as you can see here, information about your device, account and this app related to the issue that you are reporting will automatically be included in this report. So if you still want to continue, tap on send report. And as you can see, the report has been sent. Now you'll get a reply soon enough. And hopefully you'll be able to access the invite collaborators feature. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.